Hello, and thank you very much for joining this tutorial. I'm going to talk about the teacher practice area. It's a tutorial, but I'm also going to ask questions as well, where I'm not sure. So I'm in the teacher practice area, and this is the topic that I've chosen, topic 10. And I've already put in some resources, activities, and content. And I'm going to just describe some of these resources. So the first thing I want to do is turn editing on. And show you how to add. So we add an activity or resource here. We have this pull down, this menu. So the resources are down here, activities and content, and then resources at the bottom. And you can select the different kind of resources. There's a description there. And then it takes you through the different conditions for that resource. And I'm going to describe my impression of these resources. So the book resource, if we just open it up, what I put in here is I put a couple of files in here, sociology, and then introduction to sociology, another file I put just under it. So I'm not sure how to add in chapters. They're just in a rolling file at the moment. I would need to find out more about the book resource, how to use it better. This second one's an assignment, and I think the assignment is quite close to just adding in a file. You can see I've added in a file here. Participants submitted. So I think that there's maybe some conditions here that make it an assignment as opposed to a file. Let's go in and have a look at the file, which I made this similar content. I see. So it just opens up this Word file that I added in. That's an add file. I think the intro to sociology was an assignment, so it's more an activity than a resource. There's my file there. Minimize that. Okay, so I see the difference between the assignment and the file. So this is an activity, and I should move that then down to the activities section. Try that again. Notice that I've got resources, Alan, activities here. I put them in as a label under the resources, and that can just give me a section divider for these different resources, contents, activities. Units 1 to 4 is a folder, so I can put in different files, I can organize them for my students. I don't have content in it at the moment, just to see the functionality. Gallery, I have a couple of pictures in here. I thought that the gallery is quite similar to, let's see, content photos. I think you can add in galleries in here as well, but there's maybe slightly different functionality to how to use them. I'll have to find out the difference. Course syllabus. This is useful for putting the course syllabus in for the students. I forget the name of this resource. So let's go and find out. This is just a page. It's useful for presenting terms and conditions, or summary, or syllabus, or embedding videos or sound files. So I thought it's useful for putting a syllabus of the course. These two are the same. There was two suggestions for this. This is a poster. So I called this course dashboard. And I've got nothing in it at the moment, that's why it's not showing anything. This is useful for building the dashboard, the Moodle dashboard for the course that you're setting up. And the last one under resources is for a student poster. Again, I'm not sure exactly how to use this, there's nothing in it, but maybe for student achievements, and I'd like to play with it to see how best to display the student achievements when I set up the course. So that's my introduction to the resources, and please join me for the next video, and I'm going to take you through the activities and the contents. Thank you.